National Premier League champions Cavalier is the only one of 3 Jamaican clubs to have advanced to the semi-final of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup. Both the heavy spending Mount Pleasant and the junglist Arnett Gardens fell by the wayside, while teams from Trinidad and Tobago and Haiti and Dominican Republic are into the semi-final. We mentioned recently Women's Premier League champions Fraser's Whip struggling in their CONCACAF debut, but instructively, the women struggled against club teams from the USA and Mexico, which are big CONCACAF teams. Mount Pleasant and Arnett Gardens struggled against small Caribbean teams from the Dom Rep and Trinidad. The big teams from Mexico and the USA and Costa Rica and Canada don't get involved yet. So really and truly, while we're complaining about the quality of women's football in Jamaica, the truth be told, despite all the hype, men's club football in Jamaica is not all that either. Thank God, though, Cavalier is still there.